morning, everyone. So we are here for one more science class, and I ask all of you to stand up for a word of prayer. Our Father, which art in heaven, I ask you, Lord, to bless all these students, be with them, and prepare them for your kingdom, abiding us in all our families. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, guys, we are here to study genetics. But before that, I'm going to correct the homework on page 402, 11.1. So let us go to these questions here. First question, what term describe object that can be easily seen but unaided eyes? Is what? Microscope. What's the term for the smallest living unit of a living thing? Is what? Cell. And then we have number 3. Who was the first to devote the entire book exclusively to microscope observance? Number 3 is Robert Wood. And they state the 2 parts of the cell theory is what? All living things are composed of living units called what? Cells. And one cell products called cells and of the cell products. All cells coming from pre-existing cells. This is very important. It's a very strong argument against what? Evolution, because each cell came from what? Pre-existent cell. You don't see cells show up without having their pre-existing cell. Now, let us go now to number 5. Name the 4 main elements of which all cells are composed. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. This is what the main elements that compose a cell. Now, number 6, which of the 3 main parts of the cells considered the most important part is what? Nucleus. What you have in the nucleus of the cell? You have the DNA, you have all the information that we're going to start to study today. Nucleus is very important, it's the command of the cell. Now, number 7, which organelle performs cellular respiration? I talked to you last time. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is very important in the process of respiration in the cell. Part of the organelles is in the cytoplasm. Now, number 8, what are molecules of DNA called? We call chromosome. We're going to start that today too. And number 9, what object should you begin with one view? An object under microscope is what? Scanning objective. And number 10, list 2 features of a plant cell that animal and human cell do not have. Cell wall, chloroplast or chlorophyll, that one that perform what? Photosynthesis. And number 11, what's the term for the storage space found with cells? Is what? Vacuole. So here we finish this homework, and next class I'll let you know what will be the homework.